What does fast oscilloscope acquisition really mean? And how fast does your scope need to run in order to properly capture your signal? The MXO3 oscilloscope has an update rate of up to 4.5 million waveforms per second. That sounds fast to me, but let's take a look at what that actually means. Update, or acquisition rate, can be thought of as percentage of real-time capture. A faster update rate means that your scope will be more responsive, capture more of your signal, and make measurements faster and more accurately. Here I have a modulated sine wave, where I have artificially limited the update rate. Going into the speed menu on the MXO3, we can see that the scope is running at around 100 waveforms per second, and it's only capturing less than 1% of the signal. Now let's remove the limitations. As you can see, the scope is running much faster, and we can see many more waveforms. Going back to the speed menu, you can now see that we are running at 3.3 million waveforms per second and are capturing around 66% of the signal. If you need an even faster update rate, you can turn the scope into free run, which allows the scope to run even faster. So, how fast is fast? That's going to depend on the speed of your signal you're trying to capture and your scope settings. But a faster update rate will give you less blind time and capture more of your signal. Want to see more of your signal and have greater measurement confidence? Check out MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.